Hi there! Today we will be creating a simple double exposure watercolour painting. We'll be painting the silhouette of a panther framing a light dappled forest. We'll be using Montmartre Premium watercolour paint on 300 GSM watercolour paper. Start off by transferring the silhouette using a HB pencil. You can print this out or you can use tracing paper. Fix the paper to your work surface with tape first to hold it in position. Next, apply masking fluid with a Montmartre Paint and Sculpt Shaper. Masking fluid is latex based and it allows you to mask areas of the paper from being painted. The Paint and Sculpt Shapers are a great tool for applying masking fluid as they have rubber tips so you can simply peel the excess masking fluid off once it's dry. Once the masking fluid is dry, you can start painting. The forest we'll be creating has light shining through the trees, so you can start by laying down some lemon yellow and some cadmium yellow to give a sense of warm glowing light beneath. This is followed by some yellow ochre and sap green to give a base for the tree foliage. Then, with a mix of sap green and yellow ochre, lightly paint in some trees. Painting them with a translucent mix will give the sense that these trees are receding into the background. The foreground, which is the forest floor, can be painted with burnt sienna. Begin to create the foliage by dappling or blotting emerald green and some cadmium yellow using a Taklon filbert brush. As we have now created a sense of depth in the background, come back in with some darker tones using raw umber to create some detail and contrast in the foreground, both on the forest floor and on the trees. Lastly, with a detailer brush, revisit the areas of foliage to add more detail to the leaves. Once the paint has dried, peel away the masking fluid. If any paint made its way beyond the edge of the silhouette, use a craft knife to carefully scrape away that paint.